Hello friends, this is lecture 2 and in this lecture we will see artificial neural network in deep learning. ANN is important part in deep learning and without artificial neural network deep learning is not possible. So in this video we'll see what is artificial neural network and importance of artificial neural network in deep learning. So what is artificial neural network? It is a computational model inspired by the human brain. So it consists of neurons that work together, which process the data and learn the pattern. So in the figure, you can see there is human brain and there is artificial neural network. So in human brain, we are providing input and then that input is processed and then it will produce some output. In the same way, in artificial neural network, there is input layer, output layer, and in between input and output, there is hidden layer. So you can see a light blue color is the input layer, then dark blue color is the hidden layer, and green layer is the output layer. So this is the structure of artificial neural network. It consists of input layer, output layer, and hidden layer. So input layer receives the data, means it receives the input features, let us say x1, x2, x3. Then at hidden layer, the computation has been performed and you can apply activation function also, and output layer it will produces the output. So what is the importance of artificial neural network in deep learning? It is a fundamental block of many deep learning models and it is used to learn the complex pattern from the data. It is used to learn the features, then make prediction, and it is used to solve real world problems. That's why ANN is very important in deep learning. Now, what is the why ANN is important in deep learning? Let us see one by one. First is foundation of deep learning. ANN is the basic concept of neuron weight bias activation functions. So it resembles as that human neuron. Then there are weights assigned to the input, and then there is bias. Then there is activation function and layer. So concept of bias and activation function we'll see in upcoming lectures. So these are the important concept in artificial neural network. Then it learn the complex patterns. So in earlier lecture also I told you there is no need to provide the features. It will automatically learn the features. So let us say there are pixel, then pixel are converted into edges, and then edges are converted into shape, and then shape is converted into objects. Means object. This is how the object is recognized in yeah, artificial neural network. Then automatic feature learning. In machine learning, we have to provide the features manually, but artificial neural network learn the feature automatically. Suppose there is raw data. This raw data has been passed to ANN or deep learning model. It will learn the features and then it will identify what are the object, texture, shape, patterns, components, combination, and then the object is recognized. The model learn hierarchically features automatically from simple to complex to make the accurate prediction. Then it handle non-linear problems. First of all, linear problem means which will give you only two outputs, 0 and 1, true and false. But if you want non-linear output, then you can use various activation functions such as ReLU, sigmoid, tanh, that allow deep neural network to learn the complex non-linear relationship. So we'll see this activation function in detail in upcoming lectures. And ANN support different types of data. It support images. You can process text, speech, video, numerical data, time series data. All these things are supported by the ANN. It enables prediction and classification. ANN can be trained to perform such as image classification, speech recognition, disease prediction, fraud detection, forecasting. All these things can be trained to perform the task. So that's it for this video. I do hope you understand the ANN concept of ANN. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.